Hello my lovely peoples, welcome back to my channel Glamour by Ritika. Hope you all guys are doing well. I am also doing well. So today in this video I am not going to teach you any makeup tutorial or eye makeup tutorial, base makeup tutorial in anything. This video is also not about a budget friendly skincare video suggestions or a budget friendly makeup video suggestions and everything. Today in this video I am going to share some of my mistakes that I have made to ruin my skin completely. Basically I just ruined my skin with my own hands. So in the past I made such mistakes that just ruined my skin. So today in this video I am going to share those mistakes to you guys, so you guys to make sure that you guys don't make those mistakes and ruin your skin as mine. So the first mistake that I have made to ruin my skin is sleep with my makeup on. So sometimes I just shooted my YouTube videos in the night and I got so tired that I just don't take off my makeup and going to the bed directly, just removing my false lashes, put them in the case and I just go to the bed and slept. That caused my skin infection and everything, because sleeping with your makeup on causes skin irritation, clog your pores and give you pimples and everything. Your skin also needs oxygen to get hydrated. So never sleep with your makeup on. If you just cannot do face wash, serum and everything, if you have not enough time to do all those things, just take off your makeup. Just take some micellar water or wipes, just take off your makeup and sleep. If you don't have time to do all the skincare. But if you have time, I will suggest to do all the skincare like remove makeup, face wash, toner, serum and moisturizer. Do the 5 steps at the every night. So the second mistake that I have made to ruin my skin is not washing my face about 2 days, 3 days or I don't know how many days, cause as winter arrives I get too lazy to wash my face. Like I have fear of cold water and everything, so I just don't wash my face like 2 days and 3 days. I was like it's okay, it's not going to do anything and everything, but it causes me pimples and everything, cause the sebum in dry skin is milder than the sebum in the oily skin. In the oily skin the sebum is a bit stronger than the dry skin sebum. So if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, you have to wash your face twice a day, otherwise the sebum will clog your pores and you will have pimples. So the third mistake that I have made to ruin my skin is using a product that give me breakouts. Like we all spend money in some products and everything, and sometimes those product does not work on us and we will I spend my money, I have to finish it and everything. I'm not going to say just don't use those products, use those products but not a regular basis. Like in my opinion, I just started using a VLCC skincare range. I shared 2 of those products in my budget friendly skincare videos. The scrub, the face wash was so good. I really liked the both of them. But the moisturizer is a little nana for me, cause the moisturizer giving me breakouts. So I just purchased, so I was like it's okay, it just appeared on one pimple and everything. But day by day when I just continue to use the moisturizer, it just give me more breakouts and more pimples. So when I just stopped using the moisturizers, it's already ruined my skin. So now I have to repairing my skin slowly. So I will suggest, if you are seeing a breakout after using a product, don't use the product. Just stop immediately using the product, because you can never understand if the product was suiting or not. I'm not going to tell you just not to use the product. I still use the VLCC moisturizer. Like whenever I am doing makeup, I just apply. But after 3 to 4 hours, I just remove it and I use the next moisturizer which suits me. So I'm going to suggest you not to use a product which does not suit you. So the fourth mistake that I have made is like scrubbing too hardly. Whenever I do scrubbing, I was like rubbing so hard and did not realize that it was hurting my skin without even doing anything good. It was doing me a very, very bad thing to my skin. I was rubbing too hard in the case like it will smooth out my skin, remove the excess, peach fuzz and everything, but it does not remove anything. It will just damage my skin a lot. I will suggest you to use a chemical exfoliator or a mild scrub which does not hurt your skin, and always scrub your face in circular motions like this, in light handed. Just don't rub it too hard. It will hurt your skin without even knowing you, and it will damage your skin. So the fifth mistake that I have made to ruin my skin is just changing products frequently. I am just obsessed with skincare and makeup and everything. So whenever a product launch in the market, I was like, I need this. Take my card and give me the product. But that does not work that way. If you are using something, just use the product about a minimum time spent. After that, if you are thinking that you need the product, just buy it. But don't use like everything. I just use the Wow face wash at a time, then I use the VLCC face wash at a time, then I use the Plum face wash at a time. I just use so many face washes a week. In this way, your skin pH will be damaged. The skin pH is always in between 3.5 to 2.5. If your skin pH is higher than that or lower than that, it means your skin is totally damaged. Just don't change your products frequently. Use one product about a 6 months straight, then change the product. Sometimes, maybe you can sometimes change the product, but not so frequently that like you use your face wash 1 week and then you switch to another face wash, then you switch the another face wash next week. It will damage your skin pH balance and cause you pimples and red marks, dry patches and everything. So I will suggest use one product monthly, at least monthly. Don't change the product weekly. So yeah, those are the mistakes that I have made to ruin my skin, and I just totally corrected them. I just take off my makeup every day before going to bed, no matter how tired I am or how sleepy I am. I just throw out all those products that do not suit me. I just using my same skincare products from 3 months straight now, and I just wash my face twice a day regularly, and I'm not going to scrubbing too hard from now. So yeah, make sure you don't make those same mistakes as mine if you don't want to ruin your skin. So yeah, that's it about today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.